All right. So, as I was painting the other one, I was noticing that it going through that strainer was an additional point where the paints mix more than I needed. So I wanted to do it again. Same colors, no strainer, and see how that one goes. So I do have all the same colors, and I'm going to layer them in the same way. So let's get started. How's everybody doing? So I did just mix these paints, so there may be bubbles. I really hope that doesn't interact too much or change the look, because what I'm going for is really stark lines, and that's what I had earlier. So it's just the strainer, going through the strainer, caused the colors to mix more than I had intended it to. So the dark phthalo blue in the bottom of the center chamber. That last one, you know what it did remind me of, though, in a way, is Fiona's flower dips, where she uses the paper towel. It actually did kind of remind me of that a little bit. I'm churning right now. That's not what I'm trying to do. Trying to get color separation, but unfortunately, with the paints being as thin as they are, because I mixed them the same way, 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint. All right, and then light on the bottom of this one. Yep. Because I was seeing some really cool stuff happening inside that strainer that I think would have really looked good if it wasn't intermingled so much with the other colors. And the strainer just kind of caused it to overmix. Alright. So there's no silicone in any of these colors. And with that, as you can see, it's immediately following, because I still have the bottom from earlier. So I am going to rest my elbow this time, which I didn't do last time. Alright, so we'll start to pour a little bit. And I did a goof. I done goofed. Alright. There we go. Kind of wanted to get them started so that it's easier. Alright. Let me settle down to a comfortable spot and just start the magic. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. It has been a nice warm day here in Phoenix. I'm so excited for this new chapter, though. Like, to go from dividing my time doing something I don't enjoy to being able to pursue my passion full time has been so much fun. It's kind of odd that the cerulean blue is overlapping all the red almost. It's a little different. But what I'm excited for is that to see all the other colors start peeking through. And hopefully get a nice transition from the lights and the dark colors. But we do have some really stark defined lines. There are some bubbles that I'm seeing as it goes around, but it is not the end of the world. enjoy doing this stuff so much. Oh, that's that dark blue coming out now. That means the white and the orange aren't far behind. Oh, that's beautiful. There's that orange. That looks so cool. I love how it kind of gradually went from that really deep red to the bright orange. That is really cool looking. I wonder what doing a chameleon cell like this would look like. Is that something you guys would be interested in seeing at some point? Just let me know in the comments below. I feel like there's got to be some white coming out soon. There's got to be. So I made the stream a little bit thicker so you can see it's taking on a little bit of a different look. Still got those really cool oranges. Now we're getting that white. There it is. That is so cool because now we have all 4 colors, or all 6 rather, coming out. Right in the center where all the stretching is going to happen. Man, these lines are so sharp. And that orange is offering such a bright contrast against all the darker colors. Really, really cool looking. I was drifting. I need to return to the center. And I'm gonna have to stop it soon, because I know we have enough. And successful stop with no drips. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's perfect, because that part is the part that's going to spread. A lot of this on the outside is going to get eaten up just because there's not a base coat on here right now. And that's fine because there's not very much interesting that's going on out there. All the interest is kind of right there where all the colors are coming out together. I think we're ready to spin it, y'all. What do you think? Let's do a light spin first. Oh man, that is cool looking. Wow. I kind of want to just stop it right there. Oh wow, look at those layers. That is so cool. Very, very sharp defined layers and lines. There's a couple spots you can tell there were bubbles, unfortunately. So when I do this again, I'll just have to make sure that the paints that I mix, I let them sit for a day. Don't get overexcited, which is hard to do, but let me bring you guys down. This thing looks so cool. There's so much going on in this. Very, very defined lines, beautiful layers of color. It's like all the paints just folded over top of each other and created this really intricate design. I'm so happy with the way this thing dried. So many details in this. Nice sharp lines, beautiful feathery colors. Doesn't look like the darkness of the black or the Payne's gray kind of took over. Looks absolutely beautiful. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.